Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best engine-driven welders for the money in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is TOMAHAWK 15 HP engine-driven portable 2000 watt generator stick and TIG welder with kit. The best welder generator is TOMAHAWK 15 HP engine-driven portable 2000 watt generator. This machine is excellent for use in farms, construction sites, or any job site that requires electrical power or welding. It is perfect for stick welding, TIG welding, or MMA welding. This permanent magnetized generator features with a high horsepower of 15 and it generates 2000 watts of DC output. The portability feature of this machine ensures easy transport to your workplace. And the digital meter allows you to have better control over monitoring amperage for optimal performance. This machine runs by a 15 HP engine which provides stable sine wave for active and steadiest welding. The powerful engine of this generator produces a large amount of DC output of 2000 watts with a rated DC output of up to 210 amps. Ensuring a DC output and a rated duty cycle of 60%, TOMAHAWK provides continuous power for your welding. And this is very important for perfect welding. The digital meter of this machine helps to adjust the precise output for optimal performance. Portability is a great feature, and this feature ensures that you can transport your generator machine anywhere you want for power. This best portable generator is used for different types of welding like MMA, stick, or TIG. Number 2. Our second best pick is Champion Elite 225 Welder. Hobart Champion Elite Welder Generator is a great generator that ensures a great power source. It is easy to use and the setup is hassle-free. With a 100% duty cycle, this welding generator provides 11,000 watts by its 23 HP engine. For perfect welding, this machine produces a rated DC output of 40 to 225 amps. The Kohler engine-driven generator machine is easy to transport, and this 2-in-1 best portable welder generator has a variety of usage. It can perform highly for light industrial, MRO, farm and hobby applications. Key feature. This best welding generator comes with a 2-cylinder, 4-cycle Kohler engine. It produces 23 HP for ensuring a high and stable power source, and the engine displacement is 725 cubic centimeters. With a high-powered engine, this generator delivers up to 11,000 watts of AC power, within which 9,500 is continuous watts that ensure the perfect output for your work. With a 100% duty cycle, this welding generator ensures a rated DC output of 40 to 225 amps and 120V to 240V voltage output. This machine is not very lightweight, but it is easy to transport. This option ensures that you can take the generator to your working area for enough power to work. The welder generator is very versatile and you can use it for light industrial, MRO, farm, and hobby applications. Number 3. Our third best pick is TOMAHAWK Welder Generator, Stick Welder Engine Driven. The TOMAHAWK TWG120A welder generator is designed for high power and durability. Ideal for farms, construction sites, or any job that requires electrical power and CC, constant current, stick welding. Producing up to 120 amps of DC output with a 60% duty cycle, it is suitable for welding from 6010 rods up to 6013 rods. Convenient back wheels allow for maneuverability for portable on-site welding and can also be used for emergency backup power when necessary. Featuring TOMAHAWK's incredible 7 HP engine, with 2,200 watts of DC output, this welder generator will provide you with the power you need wherever you need it. Package includes TWG120A welder, 10-foot ground clamp, 10-foot electrode holder. 8-wheel kit. Features. Stick MMA welding. Smooth 40 to 120 amp DC weld output delivers high-performance arc welding. Permanent magnetized generator, PMG. Inverter generator with stable sine wave for the steadiest welding. Weld and run electric tools all at once. Able to weld 1/8, 1/16, 3/32 inch. Easily set amperage with electronic reader and knob. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Lincoln Electric K2857-1 engine-driven welder, Ranger 225. Lincoln is a famous brand for producing electric and welding equipment. Many of their best welding generators, the Lincoln Electric Ranger 225, is an excellent one. It comes with a 23 HP gas engine that provides an output of 10,500 watts for ensuring enough power. With a 100% duty cycle, this generator ensures an output of 210 amps with 12 V. It generates both AC and DC outputs. The AC is used for industrial operations, while DC ensures perfect welding of stick electrode. The versatility of this best small welder generator is outstanding, and it is capable of doing MIG, flux core and TIG welding too. Ranger 225 generator runs by a 23 HP Kohler 2-cylinder, a 4-cycle gas engine with an engine displacement of 674 cubic centimeters, for providing a great outcome. Has a powerful engine. So this welding generator ensures an excellent output of 10,500 watts and a rated output of 9,000 watts. This machine has a different duty cycle on different amperage. For 225A DC/25V, it has a 40% duty cycle. For 210A DC/25V and 200A DC/20V, it has 100% duty cycle. The generator delivers both AC and DC output. AC for industrial operations and the DC for welding purpose. The DC output is 20 to 225 amps. This welding generator is so versatile. And it can be used for MIG, flux core and TIG welding. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is engine-driven welder Bulldog 5500. On the position before the last on our list, we have another generator that comes from Lincoln Electric, the engine-driven welder Bulldog 5500. This small-size welder generator runs with an 8.9 horsepower Kohler engine. With this power, it produces 4,000 watts AC power for delivering proper welding, and the power can go up to 5,500 watts. For ensuring excellent welding or power, it has an amperage range of 70 to 140, and the rated output is 125A AC/20V and 100A AC/25V. The duty cycle of this generator is less, about 30% at 125A. Though it has lower power, it has great versatility and can be used for welding steel, stainless steel, cast iron and so on. This engine-driven best welding generator runs with an 8.9 horsepower Kohler engine to generate power. This generator delivers 4,000 watts continuous AC power, and the peak power is 5,500 watts. This generator machine has a welding amperage of 70 to 140 DC output. And it has a rated output of 125A AC/20V and 100A AC/25V. It has less duty cycle compared to other machines. The duty cycle is only 30% at 125 amps. Though it's a low-power generator compared to other generators on our list, it ensures a great versatility. It is used for welding steel, stainless steel, cast iron, or hard-facing projects. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.